Let's make a yummy champurrado de pinole. We'll begin by boiling water. And once it has boiled, let's add a cinnamon stick. To start adding flavor and color to our champurrado, let's add a block of piloncillo. For more color and flavor, let's add a block of chocolate and let's let it sit so it can melt. Since we're making champurrado de pinole, let's pour some pinole in a bowl and add water to mix it. Now we'll pour it in. This mixture will make the champurrado be thick and give it a smooth texture. To finish up this yummy recipe, let's add some condensed milk, evaporated milk, and milk. We'll know that the champurrado is all done once everything has melted in. Now let's pour some champurrado into a mug and enjoy this yummy champurrado de pinole. Subscribe and like for more yummy and quick recipes.